Plastic water tanks. Types, uses, and manufacturing process. This video covers plastic water tanks and how they are used. You will learn more about topics such as: what is a plastic water tank? How plastic water tanks are made? Types of plastic water tanks. Uses for plastic water tanks. Plastics used to make plastic water tanks. And much more. Chapter 1. What is a plastic water tank? Chapter 2. How plastic water tanks are made. Plastic water tank manufacturing. Rotational molding. Rotational molding. Step 1. Molding. Step 2. Step 3 of rotational molding. Step 4 of rotational molding. Rotational molding. Step 5. Blow molding. Blow molding. Step 1. Step 2 of blow molding. Blow molding. Step 3. Step 4 of blow molding. Complete process for blow molding a plastic water tank. Choosing the right plastic water tank. Key considerations for buyers. Chapter 3. What are the different types of plastic water tanks? Plastic water tank types. Double wall plastic tank. Elliptical cradle plastic water tank. Horizontal plastic water tanks. Open-top plastic water tanks. Rectangular plastic water tanks. Stackable plastic tanks. Underground water tanks. Vertical plastic water tanks. Frequently asked questions. What materials are most commonly used to manufacture plastic water tanks? How are plastic water tanks manufactured? What types of plastic water tanks are available for different applications? What features make a plastic water tank suitable for drinking water? How should buyers choose the right plastic water tank for their needs? Are there plastic water tank options for underground installation or space-limited locations? Chapter 4. What are the uses for plastic water tanks? Plastic water tank usage. Reverse osmosis. Cistern plastic water storage tanks. Doorway plastic water tanks. Truck bed tanks. Rainwater tanks. Using a forklift. Marine plastic water tanks. Septic plastic tanks. Chapter 5. What types of plastics are used to make plastic water tanks? Plastic water tank plastics. Polypropylene thermoplastic. Polyethylene plastics. Low-density polyethylene. Linear low-density polyethylene. High-density polyethylene. Cross-linked polyethylene. Ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene. Polyvinylidene fluoride. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right plastic water tank manufacturers for your needs.